This is a blister packaging machine for filling and sealing smoking bead cigarette bolus pop balls. Blister packing machine is one of Migrant Packing Machinery's main products. It can be widely used for all kinds of food and medicine products, such as honey, butter, olive oil, bolus, capsule, tablet, syringe, etc. For pharmaceutical machinery, it's available in DPP 80 billion, 150 million, 180,260, etc. different models. It can realize a variety of packaging schemes, such as ALU PVC, ALU, and ALU PVC ALU. High-speed roller-type packaging machine can connect with pillow packing machine, toning machine, wrapping machine, and case packer to be one full automatic production line.